RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar and Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjib inaugurated vitrectomy machine, angioplex, OCT, angiography and fundus camera at Ophthalmology Department, RIMS, Manipur today. RIMS faculty member, residents and staffs attended the inauguration. Speaking at the occasion, Director G. Sunil Kumar Sharma said, with the addition of 3 new machines, RIMS, among other government hospitals, will be the first to avail its benefit to the people free of cost. With the advancement in technology, the newly installed computerized machine will give more opportunities in receiving eye treatments, citing that angioplex OCT angiography machine is a non-aggressive technique. He stated administering injections won't be necessary since the most recent technological advancements would employ novel eye treatments.
I check up that kind I drop to kind mid see quickly dilate pupils. The Hojiki, Tiki Kulai Sigima later Matunga dilate was the color. The computer you do the direct picture seeing we are one of the best Haitara Quigi, Setki Harmony Quigisi, OCT angioplex and atomgivasi, non-invasive technique. Quigi angiography the singly gumba Quigi seeing Haragadi die kappa machang. Kulai si later Gana the Aquina Hida kappa requirements later to go direct mid Manunga river retinal vessels, natragated vessels mayam sigi, direct assessment. Fangani. Obviously, quite common wherever diabetic height, diabetic retinopathy, and lazy complications. Sida, Maruena, treatment Yamkana Nisi, vitreous hemorrhage, the traumatic eddy, quickly shock with that, Sana with the Gasu, with the damage Legadi, Aduda, Arega Dumoquena, Yam Hazana, a prosta weare.